It's all God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love.
Hi everyone, I'm Claire. Today we're gonna make a review on from Jetone UKA. I wonder what the package is. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god! I'm just really happy. I am so happy. I've never had a ukulele before, but now it's a complete set. You have the cover, the clip tuner, Capo, stamp, and of course another strap. If you're gonna order a ukulele, better to order something like this with a cover, with a tuner, everything all in one. I'll put the link down below here. You can like bring it. There's a strap over here and also a strap over here as well. It's like a violin too. Ooh. Oh, they have a cord as well. Cord sheet. This is the ukulele from Jetone UKA. This one is actually, I think it's nylon. Look at the design. I love the design. Super nice. Model is UK-23. I love the color. And like it's smooth and easy to carry. It's also light. I think it's also nice for kids to try ukulele. For me, it's easier as well than the guitar because it's lighter and you can reach it like easier with your hands. Let's check this out. They have the tuner. This is the tuner. It includes a battery for the tuner. It works. Let me tune it. And peak. Capo's so you just put the capo over here. Or maybe if you want it over here. This is the strap. And then you put it here. One over here. Yeah. And oh, like this. I'm gonna try to learn like a very simple song and try it on the ukulele.
Done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest. Nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it'll get my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours.
Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Comment down below if you have any suggestions for my upcoming videos. If you have any questions about the ukulele, if you want me to play more ukulele songs, then comment it down below as well. If you want to know where to order this, where I got it at Jetone UKA. So I'll also put the link down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I've been searching for this all my life because